process of producing frozen custard. Frozen custard is a rich, creamy dessert that has delighted taste buds for over a century. Its smooth texture and dense flavor set it apart from regular ice cream. Producing high-quality frozen custard involves a meticulous process that ensures every scoop delivers the signature creaminess and taste. Here, we delve into the detailed steps involved in making frozen custard, from selecting ingredients to the final product. Ingredient selection. The foundation of excellent frozen custard lies in the quality of its ingredients. The primary components include egg yolks. These are essential for the custard's rich texture. High-quality fresh egg yolks are preferred. Cream and milk. Full-fat cream and whole milk provide the custard's creamy consistency. The fat content is crucial for achieving the desired mouthfeel. Sugar. This adds sweetness and helps achieve the smooth texture by lowering the freezing point. Flavorings. Vanilla is the classic choice, but other natural extracts or fruit purees can be used to diversify flavors. Stabilizers, optional. While traditional recipes may not use them, modern production sometimes incorporates stabilizers to maintain texture and prevent ice crystal formation. Mixing ingredients. The initial step in the production process is to blend the primary ingredients. This involves combining dairy and sugar. The milk, cream, and sugar are mixed in a large vat. The sugar needs to dissolve completely for a smooth texture. Adding egg yolks. The egg yolks are gradually whisked into the mixture. This must be done carefully to avoid curdling. The mixture is homogenized to ensure a consistent texture and to prevent the separation of fat. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, the custard base undergoes pasteurization. The mixture is heated to a specific temperature for a set period. This process kills any harmful bacteria. After pasteurization, the mixture is rapidly cooled to prevent the growth of any remaining bacteria. Aging the custard base is a critical step that enhances the final product's texture and flavor. The pasteurized mixture is stored in refrigeration units for several hours, typically 4 to 24 hours. This aging period allows the proteins and fat to fully hydrate and improves the mixture's viscosity. During this time, the flavors meld together and the base thickens slightly, contributing to the custard's creaminess. If the frozen custard is to have additional flavors beyond vanilla, this is the stage where they are incorporated. Natural flavorings, natural extracts, fruit purees, or chocolate can be added to the base. The mixture must be stirred thoroughly to ensure even distribution of flavors. The most distinctive aspect of frozen custard production is the freezing process. Unlike batch freezers used for ice cream, frozen custard is typically made in continuous freezers. These machines churn the mixture while simultaneously freezing it. Frozen custard machines incorporate minimal air, around 20%, resulting in a denser product compared to ice cream, which can have up to 100% overrun air content. Once the custard reaches the desired consistency, it is ready for extrusion and immediate serving or packaging. The custard is extruded from the machine at a temperature just below freezing. This temperature is crucial for maintaining its creamy texture. Freshly made frozen custard is often served directly from the machine for optimal texture. It can also be stored in a freezer for short periods, though this may slightly alter its consistency. For commercial production, frozen custard needs to be stored and transported carefully to maintain its quality. Frozen custard should be stored at a consistent temperature to prevent ice crystal formation. The custard is packaged in containers that minimize exposure to air and protect it from temperature fluctuations. During transportation, maintaining the cold chain is critical to ensure the product reaches consumers in perfect condition. Throughout the production process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented to ensure the highest standards. Regular checks on the quality and freshness of ingredients. Continuous monitoring of temperatures during pasteurization, aging, and freezing. Tasting the product at different stages to ensure flavor and texture consistency. Ensuring the product is free from harmful bacteria and pathogens. The frozen custard industry continually evolves with innovations and variations to meet consumer demands. New and exotic flavors are constantly being developed to keep the product line fresh and exciting. Options like low-fat or sugar-free custard cater to health-conscious consumers. Emphasis on using organic ingredients and eco-friendly packaging. Producing frozen custard is a meticulous process that combines high-quality ingredients, precise techniques, and careful quality control. From selecting the freshest eggs and dairy to the final freezing and packaging stages, each step is crucial in creating the rich, creamy dessert that has been loved for generations. As the industry continues to innovate, frozen custard remains a timeless treat, delighting palates with its luxurious texture and indulgent flavors.
That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.